Namaskar Gurukulians, class 11th, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you are doing your study along with the video lectures. In previous topic, we discussed about the frequency diagrams and today we shall start chapter 8. The name of the chapter is arithmetic line graph or time series graph. Firstly, we shall discuss about the graph. When a statistical data presented in the form of presented on a graph paper, that is known as a graph. Presenting the data on a graph paper, we get a different point. जब हम किसी भी स्टैटिस्टिकल डेटा को ग्राफ पेपर पर क्या करते हैं, प्रेजेंट करते हैं, वी विल गेट डिफरेंट पॉइंट, हमें डिफरेंट पॉइंट मिलते हैं. ईच पॉइंट कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू ऑफ अ स्टैटिस्टिकल सीरीज. बाय जॉइनिंग दीज पॉइंट्स वी गेट अ लाइन विच शो हाउ अ वेरिएबल टेंड्स टू चेंज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, suppose these are the points I get from any statistical data. So this is known as a graph because I plot on a graph paper. But I will not plot like this. मैं इसे इस तरीके से plot नहीं करूँगी. There are some rules and regulations to construct a graph. Okay, so we shall start our topic, that is arithmetic line graph. When the value of variable, when the value of variables, when the value of variable are recorded with respect to the time of its occurrence. Then the arrangement is known as a time series. Then the arrangement is known as time series. The next topic is, firstly I will tell you this thing. Time series graph helps in understanding the trend, periodically etc. in the long term time series data. The time period may be year, quarter, week, month, days, hours and so on. कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो let us start construction of a graph. How to construct a graph? Construction of a graph. This is the main topic of this chapter, that is construction of graph. If you will do it in a proper way, your graph can never be wrong. आपका graph कभी भी गलत जो है वो नहीं हो सकता. This is this one. This is origin denoted by O. This is x-axis. I will take x. This one y-axis. This is x dash and this is y dash. The horizontal line is known as abscissa. A, B, C, I, double S, A. The same is here. A, B, C, I, double S, A. That is known as abscissa, and vertical line, that is known as ordinate. Ordinate. Same here, ordinate. I will tell you, it is divided into 4 quadrant. Quadrant first, quadrant second, quadrant third, and quadrant fourth. Here the value of x is positive, y is also positive, plus x and plus y. Next is second quadrant. At a second quadrant, x is negative, minus x, and y is positive. At a third quadrant, the value of x, it means that is minus x and this is minus y. And at the fourth quadrant, x is plus and y is minus. This is the main thing. I am telling you again, these bold lines are called axes. जो ये bold lines हैं, इन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? Axes. Horizontal line from left to right. This one, left to right. What? The horizontal line, left to right, horizontal axis, abscissa or x-axis. And the line going upward or downward is known as vertical axis, ordinate. Okay, beta? These axes divide the plane paper in 4 parts. The point of origin in the graph is indicated by English letter O. Here x is positive, y is positive. This is the first quadrant. Here y is positive but x is negative. This is the second quadrant. In third quadrant, x and y both are negative. But in fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. So let us start the next. In the first quadrant, both x and y are positive. In the second, x is positive, x is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant, x and y both are negative, and in the fourth quadrant, x is positive while y is negative. When you are making diagram, you have to keep it in your mind some rules for construction a graph. First rule is rules. First rules is heading. Heading should be proper and सेल्फ एक्सप्लानेटरी. जो हेडिंग है वो क्या होना चाहिए? प्रॉपर होना चाहिए और क्या हो? सुटेबल हो और सेल्फ एक्सप्लानेटरी हो. चॉइस ऑफ स्केल. सेकेंड इज चॉइस ऑफ स्केल. व्हाइल यू आर मेकिंग ग्राफ, what you have to do, you have to take the scale according to your own wish. What will happen? होगा क्या? Someone will take a box of 10 blocks is equal to 1 centimeter. It depends upon the wish of the student what he want to do, because you have learnt how to make this graph in class 10th also. But when I will make the graph, I will tell you how to take the choice of scale. But here we will write one should fix an appropriate scale on which data should be presented. जो data आपको present करना है उसके according आप scale जो है वो ले सकते हो. Next is method of plotting the points. Methods of plotting. Suppose one table is here. Okay, I am taking x or y. If x is 5, y is -3, where it will come? अगर x 5 है y -3 है, कहाँ पर आएगा ये? इट मीन्स x इज व्हाट? पॉजिटिव, y इज नेगेटिव, तो इट विल कम इन क्वाड्रेंट 4, क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है? x क्या है आपका? पॉजिटिव है और y आपका क्या है? नेगेटिव है. तो यू हैव टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड कि हाउ इट विल कम. नेक्स्ट इज line of different type. If you want to compare your data, different type of line you can take. Line of different type. Different type means if you have a different data, you can use dotted line, you can use this dotted line, you can take this line, you can take any type of line which you want to take, but you have to take a different line. This line is known as the broken line, this line is known as the dotted line, and this is known as the bold line if you will take like this. Okay beta, this is broken, this is dotted, or this is bold line. Next is table of data. Table of data is necessary if you have no table. अगर आपके पास टेबल नहीं है, how will you make a graph? आप ग्राफ जो है वो कैसे बनाओगे? And next और important topic is use of false line. I will tell you about the use of false line. अब इस false line की ज़रूरत ही क्यों पड़ती है? You will see. If you want to make a false line, in x-axis if you require you will make like this, but in y-axis you will take like this. What is the reason? अब इसका reason क्या है लेने का? Suppose you have a sale of start from 500. First year this is 500, second year this is 550, third year this is 600. It means it is increasing. ये क्या हो रही है? Increase हो रही है. Firstly you have to cover. आपको क्या करना है? अपना ग्राफ जो है वो प्रॉपर वे में दिखाना है. That's why what you will do, you will make a false line. मैं यहाँ एक false line ड्रॉ करूँगी और उसके बाद अपनी प्रॉपर जो है वो स्केल फिक्स करूँगी 500, 600, 700. ये जो मेरी false line है it will cover these 500. ये इसको क्या करेगी? कवर करेगी. The next point, आगे तो ये continuity में चल ही रहा है. और in x-axis you can also make a false line where you require, जहाँ पर आपको क्या है? ज़रूरत है. To draw a line or curve at a last point, आपको क्या करना है? ड्रॉ करना है और क्या करना है? कर्व या लाइन विच यू कैन मेक, जो आप बना सकते हो इजीली, वो आपको जो है वो बनाना है. वी मार्क डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राफ पेपर. हम डिफरेंट पॉइंट जो है वो क्या करेंगे? मार्क करेंगे ग्राफ पेपर पर. जॉइन टू मेक अ लाइन और कर्व. But you have to keep in your mind the joining line must be uniform throughout its length. वो क्या होनी चाहिए? Uniform होनी चाहिए. It should not be of different thickness at a different point. The next is one variable graph. Those graph in which the value of one variable are shown. जिसमें सिर्फ one variable की value को दिखाया जाता है, that is known as one variable graph. तो देर आई हैव वन स्टेटमेंट, मेरे पास एक स्टेटमेंट है. आई विल मेक इट्स वन वेरिएबल ग्राफ. फॉलोइंग टेबल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फैक्ट्री बिटवीन जनवरी एंड जून. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट. मंथ जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, May and June. तो let us start. I will take sales. मैं यहाँ पर सेल लूँगी. सेल्स जो है वो कितनी है? सेल्स इन, सॉरी नॉट अ सेल आई एम टेकिंग प्रोडक्शन इन क्विंटल्स. आई एम टेकिंग प्रोडक्शन इन क्विंटल्स. This is a unit, quintals. In one quintal, I think you know. So let us start. We have production in quintals 5, 7.5, 10, 5, 7.5, 10, sorry 5, 10, 12.5, 5, 10, 12.5, and next is 15. So what I will do, I will show in a diagram. On x-axis, this is a time series graph because time is given. On x-axis, I will take the month January, the same gap which I am taking over there, the same I will take over there. February, March, April, May and June. Here I will take production. यहाँ मैं क्या लूँगी? Production. तो let we discuss कि हमें यहाँ पर false line बनाने की ज़रूरत है. तो let us see. If I am taking like this 5, 10, 15, तो मुझे किसी भी टाइप की false line की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो let us start. January I am taking 5. At February I am taking, this is 7.5. Next March, this is 5. April 10. May 12.5 and June, this is 15. So I will draw like this. This is production in given times. Today we will complete our topic one variable graph and use of false line. I told you इसी में मैं false line भी आपको दिखा सकती हूँ, but I am taking other to show you the false line. So I am taking other graph. This is a simple graph. The second is, firstly I am writing a statement of this. The following tables gives hypothetical figure of the export from India during the year 2019 to 2013-14. 2009-10 to, this is the year 2009-10. 10-11, 11-12, 12-13 and this is 13 and 14. Next, what we have to given? Export in rupees crore. Export in rupees crore. Export we have 600, 640, then 600, 640, 670, 600, 640, 670, 780 and last I am taking 900. So I will make its diagram. Let us start. What we have? Years. So this is origin and I am taking 2009-10, 10-11, 11-12, 12-13, 13 and 14. तो एक्सपोर्ट इन रुपीज 600 करोड़. नाउ आई विल यूज फॉल्स लाइन. मैं यहाँ फॉल्स लाइन यूज करूँगी. सपोज आई एम स्टार्टिंग माई ग्राफ फ्रॉम 500. देन आई एम टेकिंग 600, 700 continuously by 100 gap, 800, 900 or 1000. That is export in rupees. Now what I have to do? अब मुझे क्या करना है? This is 0 to 500. ये 0 to 500 है. I have to cover it. तो मैं ये किससे कवर करूँगी? I will cover it with false line. मैं यहाँ क्या कर दूँगी? एक false line जो है वो क्या कर दूँगी? ड्रॉ कर दूँगी. This is known as a false line. ये इससे थोड़ा सा ऊपर ली जाएगी. You will see. This is known as a false line. Okay बेटा, let me start. अब हम इसे क्या करेंगे? स्टार्ट करेंगे 600, then 640, then 670 थोड़ा सा और इससे ऊपर, then 780, 800 से थोड़ा सा नीचे होगा, and last one is 900. Let us 900. So this is what is? This is one variable graph, but here we are showing the false line. Two variable or more than two variable graph, we will discuss tomorrow. I hope you can understand easily by this video lecture arithmetic line graph. If you are facing any problem, can take your problem on WhatsApp. Thank you beta. Thank you so much.